Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Spore finance. This video I'm talking about the very urgent update of the Spore finance. As you can see here now at this time, if we do the previous time change occur at the Spore finance, so absolutely as you can see here at this time the Spore finance price in the last 1 week is going negative. And a lot of people also ask me this question about that the last Spore finance last week price is negative. What's the reason behind that, and when the last 1 week prices become positive? So finally I decide to answer your question in this video. Keep watch this video, and if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of the Spore finance, as you can see here now, $0 is still. That's not mean that the exit price of the Spore finance is 0, but that is the price of the Spore finance at this time is very low. That is why the price is showing here 0. Anyways, if you look the last 1 hour, last 1 day price is okay in the Spore finance. So a lot of people also ask me this question that the Spore finance price change as positive last 1 hour and last 1 day. But when will be the price become last 1 week price become positive? So now this time let's see my friends the price chart. I think very soon they take 2 days or 3 days to the last 1 week prices become positive. But unfortunately if we look the last 1 day price is okay in the Spore finance. So in the last 4 hour a very bad fast okay in the Spore finance, as you can see here now on the screen. So that is absolutely a big warning for our Spore finance holders. As you can see here, let me show you all of you. As you can see here this time, that is absolutely a very bad warning for all of you. And as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart, negative 19.9% price falls down in the last 1 day and the 24-hour friends. So absolutely be alert and be safe from loss. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Spore finance? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.